heard there is another one of my tricks that I love using. I love using the Strymon Flint or any reverb pedal as a buffered bypass. You can just turn it on and off and the trails stay. I like using it as a sustain pedal. Okay, now here it is with the reverb pedal. Listen to how it fills in the in-betweens and like kind of creates like this bubbly, I don't know, it's like just a really cool, like something wants to break through, but it's not. So now let's take a look at the last example, which is the solo to Resurrecting by Elevation Worship. When you listen to the record, that last note they hit is like, it sustains forever, it seems. And the way that I kind of mimic that is with this sustain pedal, reverb pedal as a sustain pedal thing. When you want that almost infinite sustain, you treat this reverb as a sustain pedal. Put one of those big knobs on there.